So, what are the major regulatory bodies that oversee compliance in our industry? Well, first off, there are a number of them. Depends whether in finance, it's the Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC. They oversee security markets and they protect investors. The Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve regulates and supervises banks and other financial institutions. Then you've got the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, and they insure deposits and they supervise financial institutions. Um, if you're in the financial industry, you've got FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulation Authority. They brokerage firms and exchange markets. Then you've got healthcare. The FDA, Food and Drug Administration, regulates food, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, big. They oversee all the healthcare programs like Medicare and Medicaid, and that's huge. And then there's data protection, the FTC. FTC safeguards came out this last year. It's huge. Almost every business is subject to that. GDRP. Um, GDRP is huge. I can't tell you how bad that is because the fines associated with GDRP violations can be up to $20 million or 4% of a business's turnover a year. That's backbreaking for most businesses. You've got PCI. That stands for the payment card industry. If you take credit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, all banks and all credit card insurers are subject to PCI. And the requirements for those, they change drastically what you have to be for. This last April, they come out with 4.0. It's SAQ 4.0. It's huge.